Are you trying to figure out why your affiliate marketing campaigns or just your Facebook ads are not getting approved? You keep on putting things up and you keep on getting that not approved with that red freaking dot, and it keeps on pissing you off. You're afraid of getting your ad account shut down, or you're just tired of it and you're thinking about quitting. Look, before you quit, before you give up, watch to the end of this video, and I promise you this is going to go ahead and tell you exactly why your ads are not getting approved and the steps necessary you need to take to finally start getting your Facebook ads up and running. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here. Now, guys, look. You are watching this video because you want to learn how to get your Facebook ads approved. Now, in a second, we're going to go ahead and actually step behind the laptop and show you a Facebook ad that was disapproved of mine and what steps necessary I'm going to be taking to actually get it approved, up and running, and start optimizing and creating profitable advertisement campaigns. Now, before we do that, if you guys want to know how you guys can get access to my affiliate marketing mentorship, to where I'm literally going to go ahead and step over your shoulder, show you how to finally get results within your affiliate marketing business, there's going to be a button down below or a link in the description, the first thing in the description, to where you can apply for my mentorship. There are three spots available, right? So apply right now, and let's just step behind the laptop. Can't wait to help you guys out, and subscribe if you guys aren't already. Join the fam, right? Let's step behind the laptop. Boom! So in this video, we're going to go ahead and cover why your Facebook ads aren't being approved and what steps necessary to take towards getting them approved, get them up and running, and get them making you money. Now, first and foremost, recently I threw up this ad, and I did this on purpose. I wanted to see if it would get approved or not. Now that it's not approved, I'm going to be taking the steps necessary to see why it's not getting approved and see what I need to do to actually start building out. So this is where I'm actually going to start my optimization process. And what I mean by that is I'm going to go ahead and start testing different things to see what's going to prove and see kind of what Facebook's allowing me to do and what they're not allowing me to do. And then once I figure out what they're going to allow me to do and I see why it's not working, why they're not being approved, then I'm going to go ahead and actually start some real optimization. So let's take a look. Now, the short answer of why your Facebook ads aren't being approved, the short answer, right, is either your advert or your landing page. So I have both up and running, right? Now, it's not going to be your ad set. It's not going to be your campaigns, right? These aren't reasons why it's not going to be approved. Now, it's going to say not approved for your ad set. It's going to say not approved for your for your campaign or your ad set, but that's not why it wasn't approved. It wasn't approved because either your ad or the landing page you're actually sending it to. So let's take a look. If I go to edit, right, this ad isn't running because it makes false, misleading, or deceptive claims. All information needs to be accurate for all people. Lose 5 pounds in a week running isn't suitable because this claim can't be true for everyone. So they actually gave me the reason of why it's not approved. So ads should clearly and accurately reflect the product or service being advertised in order to maintain a positive experience for our users. To learn more and see examples, check out our advertising policies. So the reason why my ad didn't get approved is because of this, right? It says, where is it? Okay. I uploaded an existing post. So what it says is 43-year-old out of shape woman accidentally lost over 41 pounds in just weeks with this controversial diet hack. So what I'm going to do is instead of saying 43-year-old out of shape woman accidentally lost over 41 pounds in just weeks. So the reason why my ad didn't get approved is because of this sentence right here. Accidentally lost over 41 pounds in just weeks, right? Now what I'm going to do, and to actually give you guys some value within this video, the reason why it didn't get approved is because of the claims, right? But here's some steps necessary that I can take to actually getting this approved. Number one, I'm going to go ahead. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and actually switch up the ad copy, right? So I'm going to go to switch up the ad copy. And I'm going to go ahead and test a couple of things with the same exact image and the same exact landing page and see if that does the trick. Now, if For example, I switch up my ad copy multiple times, and the easiest way to really see if it's the ad copy or not is literally by doing something that there's no possible way that the ad copy could be the problem. What I mean by that is, I could say check out Sharon's weight loss. Transformation. So that could literally be my ad copy, and what happens is, because it's not like these crazy ass claims, right? There's no way that that's going to get disapproved. So if my ad gets disapproved again, then the next steps that I'm going to be taking to rectify is I'm going to go ahead and be actually switching up the image, right? So the image may not be approved. So I'm going to try a couple of different images. Once I try a couple of different images, if that doesn't get approved, then the next step is actually looking at your landing page. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the landing page that I'm actually running ads to right now. So basically, one reason why your ads aren't getting approved is your landing page, right? So a couple of reasons. I'm going to basically break this down, right? Number one is the bottom of your landing page, right? So the bottom of my landing page has terms and conditions, it has privacy policy, it has affiliate disclosure, it has contact us. These are Facebook ads compliant. Next is, it states this is not a part of Facebook website or Facebook Incorporated. Additionally, this site is not endorsed by Facebook in any way. Facebook is a trademark of Facebook Incorporated. So feel free to take a screenshot of this. You need to have this at the bottom of your landing pages. A legal disclaimer. Healthy Unicorn programs recommended affiliate products, including Healthy Unicorn personally may receive compensation for products and services they recommend to you. Healthy Unicorn personally uses a recommended resources unless it states otherwise. If you do not want Healthy Unicorn to be compensated for a recommendation, then I advise you to search online for the item through the non-affiliated link. So what I'm basically letting people know is that this is an affiliate, right? This is an affiliate landing page. If you don't want me to be compensated, then check elsewhere, right? Next, once we make this is compliant, and what I mean by make sure this is compliant, we're gonna go ahead and start with the first thing that we're gonna check, right? Let me actually write down Dropbox, right? What we're gonna be checking from. So I'm gonna go paper, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a new doc, and then Facebook ads approval checklist. So first thing that I'm going to check is the actual, me personally, I would actually check the ad first. Now what I mean by that is the actual ad creative, right? That's the first thing that I'm going to go and try to optimize to actually get my ads approved. So what I mean by that, pictures, videos, etc., right? So that's the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do. Now, obviously, they gave me the answer. They said it's my ad copy, but I'm going to go ahead and try it regardless, right? So I'm going to go ahead and start trying different pictures and see if I can get one approved. Second step is ad copy, right? So the text, the headlines, etc., right? And then number 3, right, is then I'm going to go ahead and see my landing page, right? So in the actual landing page, the first thing is in the footer compliance. So I just showed you guys, is your actual landing page compliant at the bottom, right? Do you have the terms, privacy policy, affiliate disclosure, contact, letting them know that this is not a part of Facebook, and like, do you have that stuff, right? That's the first thing that I'm going to find. So landing page for the compliance. Now this should be set up, so this should be a no-brainer. This should never be an issue as long as you're doing it correctly. Next is so if we test the ad creative and we test the ad copy and we switch it up and we don't get it approved, and I'm talking about multiple variations, right? Multiple variations, and we don't get it approved, the next step is the actual landing page copy, right? Now, the best way to see if your landing page copy is going to be approved or disapproved is an example, right? They also, just like, for example, my ad copy right here says 43-year-old out of shape woman accidentally lose over 41 pounds in just weeks. They also, if they don't like it in your ad copy, they're not going to like it in your landing page copy. So you want to make sure you switch up your landing page copy. It says the one veggie you need to avoid now, the one veggie you need to stop eating. So with that being said, these don't have those same claims, right? So that claim, where are we here? That claim, I believe this is why my ad's not getting approved, saying that just lost over 41 pounds in just weeks, right? So it's not realistic, guys, but it's copywriting, right? So that's what I'm going to switch up. But what I would do is I'll start switching up my actual landing page copy, right? I'm going to go ahead and switch up my landing page copy. Another reason why your ads are not getting approved is because, right? I didn't even write this one down. This isn't even in the checklist. Do not direct link. What does that mean? You're probably sending people directly to your affiliate link. It's not going to happen. It's not going to go and get approved, right? The reason why is because these freaking these affiliate links, number one, are automatically usually flagged, and number two, your links are like the copy on your landing pages are like literally optimized to convert, so they're not optimized to be compliant. So with that being said, a lot of the copy, right, the text on your actual landing pages for your affiliate offers, they're not going to be compliant. They're not to be compliant because a lot of people do different ads besides Facebook, which are a lot more lenient, like native ads and banner ads. So they're not going to be as compliant. So make sure you're not direct link. Do not direct link. What that means is do not send, right? Do not put the link in your Facebook ad as your affiliate link, right? Make sure you have a pre-sale page or a landing page. So the landing page copy. Then the last step, right? The last step, if the landing page copy is not compliant, or excuse me, if you don't get it after you switch up the landing page copy, if you don't get your ads approved, then the next step would be, okay, what is your second link, right? Now sometimes Facebook will even go as far as if you have, let's just say, let me give you guys an example, right? I have a landing page, I have a two-step funnel, landing page, and then I have affiliate link. Sometimes they will literally, like they send a robot, it's AI, right? So they'll go ahead and send it to your landing page, they'll go to read the copy, see if it's compliant. If it's compliant, they'll go to the second page in your funnel, and if it's not compliant, right, they're going to go and disapprove your ad. So the last case scenario, right, if you're doing a two-step funnel landing page to your affiliate link, the last step is putting a bridge page. So a bridge page is, for example, if I was to go ahead and do a lead magnet landing page, and what I mean by that is, for example, free book. Free book. Then the second page is going to be a bridge page / thank you page, right? And basically on this page I'm going to be saying, while you wait, check this out. And what I mean by that is I'm going to be saying, hey, while you wait for your free book, check this out. Then I'm going to be actually sending them to a affiliate offer, and when I send them to the affiliate offer, it should get approved, right? So making sure that I'm going to be running ads, instead of running ads for an affiliate offer, I'm going to be running ads for my lead magnet, right? So my free book, my free report, my free case study, whatever your lead magnet is. Now, if you have a three-step funnel and the copy is compliant on your actual funnel, and you have a three-step funnel and on the back end you have an affiliate offer and it's still not getting approved, chances are it's not your sales funnel, right? It's not your landing pages, it's your ad creatives or your ad copy. So you have to go back to the drawing board, rinse and repeat. Now guys, what this is a lot of people are impatient. They're not willing to go through all this testing, trial and error. That's just how it works. That's the name of the game. They're going to continue to crack down on their compliance, and the reason why is because their objective is to protect their consumers, to protect their users. They do not want to give their users, people who use Facebook, a bad experience. If they give them a bad experience, they're going to stop using the platform. So they are user friendly and not marketer friendly. They don't care about the market. Yes, they care about your money, But if they don't have a platform or people to advertise to, they're not going to be able to continue to advertise or even have an advertising platform. So with that being said, add creative pictures and videos, add copy, landing page copy, also the landing page footer. If you have the second link is your affiliate link, then try to go ahead and put a bridge page or a thank you page in between. And then if that's not working, just start from square one. And if you continuously do this over and over and over again and it's just not getting approved, you just got to do better, because this is literally all the variations. Like, these are the only things that will stop your ads from getting approved. So hopefully this makes sense. A lot of people have been requesting this video, so I decided to create it. And yeah, so go ahead and comment down below if you had, whatever your key takeaway is. Go ahead and also comment down below something that you learned today that you didn't know before, and let me know if later on you go ahead and use this video and you get your ads approved. Just let me know, because that's why I create this type of content, so that way I can help other people. Now, what I want you to do is, if you guys are struggling in your affiliate marketing business, or there's things that you're uncovering and you're trying to figure out why you're not getting results, or how to do Facebook ads, or all this extra good stuff, go ahead and apply for my affiliate marketing mentorship, where I can literally walk you step by step. Having a mentor allows you to compress time, right? Save time, effort, and energy. There's going to be a button or a link down below, first link in the description, to where you guys can get access to my mentorship. I'm taking 3 spots, 3 positions available, right? Once they are gone, right? So take action right now. I want to be your mentor. Yes, it's paid mentorship, so if you're dead broke, sorry for you. If I don't pick you, sorry for you, but I can't wait to help you guys out. Now, I'm going to go to the beach or something. I'm currently here in Miami in the penthouse. This is what affiliate marketing can do for you. If you guys want that guidance, right, and somebody who has the lifestyle, the income, and everything that you want, go ahead and click down below, grab access to the mentorship, and I can't wait to see you guys on the other side. Until next time, Eric Ellis, checking out.